y'all, we're back from the shower. It's currently 6:51 and you're probably asking me like, what are you doing at 6 in the morning filming a video? I work at 9, so all of my content that I do on TikTok, everything has to be in the mornings or just anytime before work. So we're up at 6 in the morning and I'm gonna do a what I got for Christmas, but also a clean with me because we just got back from Big Bear and all of my stuff is literally on the ground. And yesterday, dude, I had the worst like headache after work. I literally fell asleep from 6 all the way to 6 in the morning again. So we're here and I feel so much better. This is the first present I got and we're actually gonna open it after I clean up. We're gonna open it. It's so freaking beautiful and I had asked for this and my mom delivered. Like, snaps to my mom. One by one, I want to show you guys my gifts. This is another gift that I got. It's the robe and these socks. Then for my grandma, she gave me a bunch of stuff from Bath and Body Works. And I got this bag. I ate the candy, but let's open her up. A hand sanitizer. And Christmas morning candle. Super good. Let's smell it. Ooh, it smells good. We're gonna turn this on right now. There's a lot of stuff that I didn't use and there's a lot of stuff that I did use at Big Bear, and I feel like the main mistake, which I knew I was gonna make, was bring more shirts or bring more like comfortable, cozy, warm long sleeves. I don't have any long sleeves. I pretty much have crop tops or like short sleeve shirts, so I was freezing. And I got this for Christmas from my grandmother. It's super pretty. It's a Reebok sweater and I was wearing it for most of the time. I bought this luggage and I didn't even intend on like using it this year, but it really came in clutch. And it's so pretty. It was at Marshall's for like I think $50. So I'm back. We cleaned a little bit more, but I got these cute pants, and then we have these cute pants of Hello Kitty. Girl, I need all the new Hello Kitty Valentine stuff. I have nothing but this. Girl, I need to go buy all of the stuff. Like, I'm gonna have to buy from resellers. They already came out. And then my mom got me this for Valentine's. This is so pretty. It's pretty big though, so hopefully we can make it work. The next thing I got was this beautiful bag my mom found me. I don't know how, but she just does it every time, bruh. Like, this is such a cute bag. I don't even know what to say, bruh. Like, she really did that. She really did that. I wanted to show you guys a little bit more miscellaneous things I've gotten, like face mask, foot and hand mask, and this car plate holder. It's super pretty. I always use face masks and they're actually in this little corner. I always put them like right here. My mom also went to CVS yesterday and found me all these things. She found me the slippers of Valentine's, this fuzzy journal, which I will be using, and the ladies' pajama pants. I'm gonna actually try them on right now because she's saying that she got me a small and she thinks I need a medium. So let me try them on and we'll do a little show. You guys, the Hello Kitty pants. This is how they look. They're from CVS and they were in a size small. Super cute. Make sure you guys follow my TikTok right here because that's where I post literally every single day. I also forgot to show you guys that I got Melody. She's so cute. Like, look at how cute the tag and everything. You guys are gonna laugh and be like, they're so mini, because they are. My sister got these from Temu, I think, and I've seen them before. I really wanted them, but the sizing is so weird, so I don't blame her. I'm gonna display them and just like keep them because one day when I have a kid, like one day as in like 30 years from now, I will definitely give these down to my kid one day because they're so cute. Like, iconic. More miscellaneous things, but I got this Starbucks cup from Texas. My dad lives in Texas, so of course she got me a cup from Starbucks. She knows I collect them all, and a gift card. And then my sister got me this bedazzled, blinged out, like, I feel like it's giving like Y2K Juicy Couture vibes. Super cute. I literally am gonna use this everywhere, especially when I go hiking. Like, you'll find me. We have this cup my mom found. I don't know how she does it. How do you do it, girl? How? And where's the other cup? I know she got me one more. Girl, where's that cup? Because that's the cup I love. 1 second. It's this pink one. Pretty, gorgeous. She's everything. She is that girl. Now, I want to change all this to Valentine's. But again, like, this is the only Valentine's I have that I'm showing you. So what I'm going to do is like take off like the Christmassy, like that literally like has a Christmas pattern on it, and just keep the pink. And we're gonna like put away all the Christmas. I want to keep my tree up though because she's cute. Like this for now, and I think it looks pretty good. And now we're down to fix this mess. I'm sorry, girl. Like, this shit is so messy. I also got AirPods from my dad. Girl, between keeping up with the laundry and these dogs and the pets, and I did my turtle, girl, I just cleaned everything. I finally finished. I feel like I'm just keeping up with it. Like the laundry, you gotta keep up with, like, just little things. But now we can finally open this beautiful set. I'm so excited, dude. The silver one I have, and I'm gonna pop a video right here of when I got that one. But this one, honey, this is the one I really wanted, and I could not find for the life of me. So props to my mom. I don't know how she did it. So this is the first one, super pretty. And then we have the second one. I just put it in this little pink mug. And I have to be careful because it's glass and these are like heavy. Hey, let's see how many minutes we have left. Like 30. Okay. I keep saying okay because I don't know what else to say. So we're going to do our makeup now. I'm going to try to do as much makeup as I can with you guys because I'm going to be rushed. So first, I'm going to take out my makeup stacks. These dogs are driving me crazy. If you guys don't already know, I have these dogs right here. Yes, they were birthed here. And they have just been everywhere. This year has gone by so hard on me. Like, I feel like this was one of the worst years yet. I'm not even exaggerating that. Like, I really do feel like I did not have a good year at all. And I feel like that's solely on my part. Like, I take accountability for everything that I do. So, genuinely saying it was my fault. It really was. And I've learned so much, though. Like, just in general, what I want from a new relationship. Really trying to figure out, what does Cassandra want? Like, there's so many things that on my list that I'm... Sorry, like I was saying, the freaking... storage is full, like always on my phone. Always full. But I want to do a full video of just the new year. I want to do like those magazines that everyone does. I really think that I'll benefit out of that. And I want to put it like on my wall, like a big pink poster I'm going to buy. And like I'm going to put a bunch of just things I want to accomplish for next year. I use the Born This Way concealer. Bomb. I used to use the Tarte Shape Tape. That was like my favorite thing ever. Like, you could not make me wear anything else. But genuinely, the Born This Way is bomb. Oh, this foundation sometimes can be peachy. That's what I was talking to my cousin about. Like, drugstore foundations are cool and all, but like, they can be so peachy or drying to the skin. That's why I have to work fast. And also, I'm in a rush. So I gotta work fast anyways.
I put the e.l.f. Camel Concealer in the middle because that's like super light shade. And then with the regular shade that I was using, the Too Faced, I put it on the ends. I feel like I never film an outro and I'm always in a rush, and that's exactly what I am right now. I have like 9 minutes to get to work. Sorry about the dogs in the back, but this is the makeup and the hair. I feel like I always wear the same thing to work, but you know what? I have like a dress code, so can't really wear a bunch. But this is the makeup and hair. I hope you guys liked this video. I know it was kind of chaotic because I was showing you guys things while cleaning, but we basically got my room clean and the house and just everything. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.